The Masterclass event has been extremely powerful for me and really, really helpful. I've gained a lot of new insights from the guest speakers. The special activities have been wonderful and have really helped me to create a more concrete vision for myself. And I know looking forward will help me to continue to build my private practice, which is one of my goals. So, again, I can educate and empower women to live longer and better lives. My name is Daria Ventura. I live in Larchmont, New York, and I am a registered dietitian and Nutritious Life Master Certified Health and Wellness Coach, and I have my own private practice. This is my first time at Masterclass, and so one of the reasons why I decided to come was for the sense of community, and I'm really blown away with how amazing the support has been, and I know will continue to be once I leave here. So I'm really happy with the women that I've met. They are all amazing, wonderful, inspirational individuals. And I've learned a lot from them, and I know I will continue to learn a lot from them as time goes on. I would really recommend the masterclass for anybody who's looking to improve their own personal health and wellness or who wants to dive into this space. There is so much opportunity. We live in a nation of individuals, all of whom need help with health and wellness. And so anybody who is interested or has a passion for health and wellness and helping others and being a part of an amazing community would be ideal for the Nutritious Life community.